I have the distinct privilege of introducing someone who has been empowered by her degree from Cal Poly Pomona.
The class of 2019 engineering program. You rock!
Joan Robinson-Berry, Senior Vice President, Boeing Global Services.
But what I'm really excited about today, ladies and gentlemen, is we have one of the largest classes of female engineering graduating in the 70-year history on this campus. Yeah, that's girl power.
And so in recognition of her accomplishments, California State Polytechnic University Pomona are proud to confer upon Joan Robinson-Berry the honorary degree of Doctor of Science.
Honored today and just filled with so much just energy with that special recognition. I can barely contain myself up here.